Assuming a strength of the Earth magnetic field at a point is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 Tesla. So B is 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 Tesla. Determine the magnitude and direction of the magnetic force, which is shown by F, magnetic force, on a 2-meter length of wire carrying a conventional current of 10 amps. So electric current is 10 amps. Running horizontally right to left across the exterior of one of the building. So as you see here, the wire is going from right to left. So that's going to be the direction of the electric current. And we know in the Earth magnetic field is going to be downward in North Pole. So let's find out the direction and magnitude. So F equals to B times I times L times sine theta. F is the magnitude of magnetic force. B is magnitude of magnetic field in terms of Tesla. I is the electric current in terms of ampere. L is the length of wire in terms of meters. And we have sine theta. Theta is going to be the angle between B and I. It means that if B and I are parallel, theta will be 0, sine theta will be 0, so there is no force. If I and B are perpendicular, like this example, it means that we have theta is 90, sine 90 is 1, so we have maximum force. So let's find out the force here. It's going to be 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 times 2 times 10. 2 is the length, 10 is the ampere, times 1 because it's sine 90 degrees. So 5 times 10 to the power of negative 5 times 20. That will be 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 Newton. That's the force. Now let's find out the direction of the magnetic force. How do we do that? We need to use the right hand rule. Right hand rule is we need to have our thumb, right thumb toward I, 4 fingers toward B, and then your palm shows the direction of the magnetic force. In this case, if you put your thumb in I direction and 4 fingers in B direction, palm is gonna show out of the screen. It's coming out of the screen. That's how you do it. So that's gonna be the direction of the force, and here is the magnitude, which is 1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 Newton.